Hey besties, and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope everyone is having a great day today, and I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Today is Saturday, so it just clicked for me that my girlfriend has tomorrow off, which I honestly just didn't know. She actually had yesterday off as well, which she usually never does. So I'm so excited to have her almost like back-to-back off days. Anyways, I hope everyone again is having a great weekend. Comment down below what your plans are, or even if you're just hanging out in the house, let me know that too, because that can also be very fun, and I do that frequently too. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Boxycharm base box for September. I can't believe it's already September 10th. I know every single month when we do these videos, I can't believe that we're already so far in the year. I guess it just happens as you get older, like the years just kind of go by way quicker. I know that kind of sounds like, but at the same time, I think it's really cool, you know? But I'm so excited. I hope that you guys are also excited. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, basically, it is a beauty box monthly subscription where you pay $27.99 a month. You get 5 full-size beauty products that usually retail over $150. So super exciting. I will also add my link down below if you guys are interested in signing up. That is affiliated, bestie, but if you guys are not comfortable with using that, you could totally just go to Boxycharm's website and sign up yourself. Y'all, I literally emailed Boxycharm when I wanted to get into their affiliate program, and I was like, listen, I've loved you guys since high school, and I'm gonna need you to send me boxes. Not even because I wanted like free stuff. I more so wanted to just be able to get the products earlier so I could like do these kind of videos earlier than later, you know? But I hope you guys like this style of video. I just wanted to do this to show you guys the products more, and I hope you guys do like this style. If you don't though, just leave in the comments below and be like, no, I'd personally rather try them out with you at the same time and be surprised. Low-key, I was kind of sad to open them without you guys, but at the same time, I just want to be as helpful with these videos as I can be. So as you guys know, this is the theme card. The theme for this month is, I think it's Strut Your Runway. Either way, that's really cute, and it is runway themed. And then of course on the other side we do have all the products and also their price points. So the first thing we have is from Ofra, and it's their signature palette in the shade Symphony. So I like this palette. It is definitely a palette that is a bit more buildable than it is super pigmented right away. Mine is kind of messy. I literally just used it today. I just dropped the freaking theme card, so let me pick that up. Okay, we got it. This is actually also $32, just so you guys are aware, besties. I do like the packaging of it. I do like the all white. Only thing is, of course, if you are using the product a lot, it's gonna get messy. I love how slim it is though. I have personally been loving palettes like this where I can just have them really easy on the go. They're not super big and bulky. I love that it also comes with a mirror. I will say the shimmer in the middle is really gorgeous. I wasn't expecting it to be as gorgeous on the eye as it was. I did, when I was working with this palette, accidentally get some of the shimmer in the crease where it was matte, and you guys know I can't stand that. So I ended up, after I filmed the little clips, I ended up like wiping it off and just redoing it because I couldn't stand the shimmer being in my crease. But I felt like I was able to come up with a really beautiful, soft, everyday look. I love that there's like very burgundy tones in here, but also like very more like neutral shades. I just enjoy this a lot. The only one thing I don't like is I wish instead of having 2 mattes, there were like 3 mattes or even like 4 mattes, because even though I do like these shimmers, I don't know, you guys, I'm really feeling this shimmer more than anything, so I would have preferred to have this shimmer and then like, you know, 4 other mattes. But if you do like shimmers, there's a good amount of those in here, so that's the only thing I was kind of like awe about. But they are actually very beautiful quality. I love this shade right here. I put it on the under eye and I think it looks gorgeous. I think she's a nice palette and I wasn't mad to get her in this box. It was actually my first palette I've ever got from Ofra, so very exciting. I'll also go ahead and read what it says. It says, give them pitch perfect eye looks with this palette of melodic mauves and warm shimmers. Oh, featuring and inspired by the Blissful highlighter, these harmonious shades never miss a beat in the easy to carry compact with a mirror. Okay, wait. So is this a highlighter too? I've never tried any of the Ofra highlights, or at least I've never owned any. I think I tried like one for my friend before. Let's see something. I dropped the freaking theme card again, but we're gonna pop this in there and I just want to see how it looks as like a highlight. I'm already wearing really glowy products underneath, but that is stunning. Yeah, because when I first tried them out on the eyes, I was kind of like, this shimmer shade is like really loosely packed, if you know what I mean. So it was like very like scattered shimmer vibes, but this is beautiful. Like the highlight is stunning. I definitely have been living under a rock because you guys, I've never had an Ofra highlighter, but now I kind of want to get one. And then we have the Better Than Sex mascara, which is $28. That's pricey for a mascara, okay? I will say when I was in high school, 2016, I wanted this so bad. Like I would beg my mom to get it for me, as I would for like a lot of other makeup products. And she ended up getting it probably for like Christmas or something. And when I did try it, I thought it was beautiful at the time. I know now some mascaras I do like better than this one, but oh my goodness, at the time I was just so excited to have it. I do want to say it made my lashes look really beautiful. I just can't remember. I think maybe it might have been a little clumpy. It's a little bit foggy like around that time for me when it came to like my makeup taste like then versus like now. So I do kind of want to try it again just to give it a fair shot, because now I've tried some mascaras so I can compare it to them. I just don't know if it was worth $28, okay? I need to try it out and see how I feel, but it says 97% creates a false lash effect, 100% said dramatic volume, 100% longer lashes, and 93% base to tip curl. So I'll see about it. I'm just really excited to get it in this box to maybe fall in love with it again, or decide that I ultimately could do better. You believe me if I told you the product just fell out of the box onto the floor? 1 second. And of course I dropped the box, so now here we are. This is the Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow from Ciate London. I did also receive a glowy blush from them once before. I felt like it wasn't the most pigmented, but it does give my skin a beautiful dewy effect. So if you're into that, you'd love it. If you're not, then you would hate it. This is definitely a bit more radiant and I do enjoy that. I will say with the product though, when you do squeeze it out, it does look a lot darker than it does sheer out to look like. It actually sheers out to almost nothing as far as the color, because when you do squeeze this out, it's very pink and kind of dark, a little bit dark for me anyways. If it did show up that way on the skin, I'd be in big trouble. But once you do blend it out, it blends almost away into nothing, but just leaves you behind a gorgeous radiant look. So if you're interested in that, I think you would like this. For me personally, I think it's nice. I have other products in my collection that do similar, but I think this looks delicious and just so juicy on the cheeks. Just because I already have stuff like this in my collection doesn't mean I don't also appreciate this one. So I'm happy to have it. The only thing is, I just put some on my hand. It smells very strong, very like tropical vibes, which I do love in products, but sometimes it's hit or miss with my skin. Sometimes my skin is okay with it, and sometimes my skin will break out. So it just depends on if you're sensitive to fragrance, because this is definitely fragranted. And if I didn't already say it, the product is $24. And then speaking of hydrating, this product I think is gonna be one of my new favorites. It's the Glow on the 5th Bye Bye Puffy Eye Cooling Eye Balm, and this is what she looks like. She is, how much are you? $24. Okay, so I'm seeing $24 twice now. So this is really great to me because it's probably one of my favorite eye products I've gotten from Boxycharm. I also really do like their Summer Fridays, is it Yuzu under eye vitamin C cream. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about. It's like in the yellow container. I love that so much. It's more of one of those like chunky eye creams, but I do enjoy it once I do work it under the eyes. I also love the Tarte H2O, Wink of H2O, whatever it's called. That one to me, I'm obsessed with. Me and my girlfriend both love it, and I do need to repurchase that one soon because I did run out. It's more of just like a standard kind of moisturizer, but I am obsessed with that one as well. And then we have this one, which is super cooling on my under eyes. I mean, as soon as it touches those babies, you're gonna feel relaxed. I am so obsessed with this. And you guys, the thing I love about it the most too is this is gonna last a long behind time. Like, look at how much product is in this. So it actually has, let me tell you, 30 grams of product. So this is going to last me so long, and I think again it might be my favorite just based on how I felt today alone using it, and just on how my under eyes are feeling after putting concealer on top, a little bit of foundation on top, and then also powder on top. I still feel pretty hydrated, so I'm very excited about this one. I'll go ahead and read some of the claims. Best-selling formula, now available in a full-size travel tube, infused with caffeine, shea butter, and berry extract. It's an instant refresher and major wake-up call. Formulated for all skin types, leaves your under eyes feeling hydrated, glowy, and cool, and can also help reduce the appearance of bags and dark circles. I can say it is super hydrating and seems to be very effective in that area, so very happy about this one. Then we have from another brand I'm unfamiliar with, the Phantom Liner. So I'm not familiar with Glow on Fifth or tint, but this is $18 and it is a liquid liner. It's also black. I do like this packaging, the black and the white, very cute. Immediately thought of Lunar Beauty because that is the aesthetic of the brushes, like the brush handles, and this is what the liner looks like. So I just got one similar from ColourPop. It's their graphic gel liner and I'm so excited. This one is just black, but you guys, I know everyone loves a good black liner. I'm just not a liner girl, so for me, I've been trying to get into it, but y'all, I'm just really not that great. I need to watch some tutorials, so hopefully I end up using this. If not, I will let you guys know that as well, but if you guys do like liners, just know that it was in this month's box. It says a color-rich formula that glides onto the skin with ease and a strong color payoff. This liner allows you to create eye looks and subtle to strong for the perfect wing. So I think it looks great. It looks very, ooh, I just dropped it, very precise. I'm dropping everything today. However, again, I just don't know if I'll be using it. I'll probably try my best to, but I'm just not the best at liner. My hands are so shaky. I have to work on it, you guys. But that was the overall box. I'm gonna go ahead and do the value of the box off camera, just count it all up, and I'll be back with the final value. The overall total of the box is $126. For me, that's worth it because I'm happy about the Ofra Cosmetics palette. More happy about the highlighter within the palette. I'm also excited about the Ciate London Dewy Highlight, the Glow on Fifth Cooling Balm, like super excited about that. The Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, I am excited to just give it another try, but I'm not like over the moon excited. And then the Tint Phantom Liner, I'm just not super excited for that, but at the same time, maybe that's my sign to really try to get into liners. I always see it on everyone else and it looks so freaking good. I don't know. I just don't think it's my thing, but maybe I could make it my thing, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all the good things. And I will see you in the next video, besties. Bye!